matching. In this task, you will hear items in a numbered list in order throughout the listening. The numbered list is always in the same order as you hear it in the recording. But the ideas in the said list may be expressed in a different way in the recording. This task tests your ability to use synonyms and number. This task type assesses the skill of listening for detail. It assesses whether a test taker can understand information given in a conversation on an everyday topic such as different types of hotel or guest house accommodation. It also assesses the ability to follow a conversation involving interaction between two people. It may also be used to assess test takers' ability to recognize relationships and connections between facts in the listening text. Here are a few tips. 1. Before starting to listen, carefully read the numbered and lettered lists. 2. The numbered list would always be in the same order as you would hear it in the recording. 3. The ideas in the lists might not be expressed in the same way as those in the recording. 4. In this type of question, you should listen for ideas. Never listen for particular words or phrases. 5. When you've chosen something from the list, put a line through it so you won't get to use it again. Thank you for your watching. Let's see.